Our journey begins in the vast cosmic nurseries, massive clouds of gas and dust where stars are born. Within these stellar incubators, gravity takes the stage, pulling matter together until temperatures and pressures ignite the stellar spark. And thus, a star is born. Enter the main sequence, the cosmic stage where stars spend the majority of their lives. It's a delicate dance of balance between gravity, pulling inwards, and the fierce nuclear fusion in their cores, pushing outwards. This cosmic equilibrium sustains the star, fueling it with the energy to shine bright against the cosmic darkness. As our star ages, it undergoes a metamorphosis. Small stars like our Sun will gracefully expand into red giants, shedding their outer layers into space. Meanwhile, more massive stars embark on a spectacular cosmic ballet, fusing heavier elements until their cores can no longer withstand the cosmic dance. In a grand finale, massive stars bid farewell with a cosmic spectacle, a supernova explosion. The energy released during this cosmic crescendo can outshine entire galaxies, scattering heavy elements forged in the star's core across the cosmos, seeding the universe for future stellar generations. The aftermath of a supernova leaves behind either a neutron star, an incredibly dense cosmic remnant, or if the star is exceptionally massive, it collapses into a singularity, a point in space where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. Behold, the birth of a black hole. And there you have it, the cosmic saga of a star's life. From the stellar nursery to the grand finale, each stage is a cosmic masterpiece, contributing to the grand cosmic ballet that lights up the night sky. If you've enjoyed this stellar journey, give us a cosmic thumbs up and share your thoughts on the cosmic dance in the comments below. Before we conclude our celestial adventure, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to stay connected with the wonders of the cosmos. This is Usama Faruqi, signing off from MindMatterAcademy. Until our next cosmic rendezvous, keep looking up, and may the stars continue to inspire your cosmic dreams.